we believe that it's going to take a cooperative effort, really, both on behalf of IBP and Homeport and their mission to get over community issues like this. Really, I mean, and unfortunately, I'm going to get a little bit political here, but I mean, with what's going on in Washington and around funding, more and more of the problems and the opportunities that we need to deal with in the community are going to need to be taken on and absorbed. You can't just lay it on just city and county and state and say they have to figure it out, because it isn't figured out right now. And it's really time that the private community and private business and individuals are going to have to step up in a way in which they haven't had to do in decades, quite frankly. I'm not suggesting that anything that any other business or individual doesn't already know. I mean, you need to get involved in things that you are passionate about, that maybe you're even good at, and that you contribute to. Doesn't mean you have to be involved in everything, but at least get involved in something. And again, with the funding cuts that we all know are going on out in the not-for-profit community and other segments, it's going to be vitally important to just get involved and do what you can.